nothing could ever prepare me for this day. I guess nothing could ever prepare me for this pain. How do I say goodbye to one who has taught me to love? One who has taught me what life and living's about. Though my heart is in pieces as days with you come to an end, I'd still say that if I had to live my life over again, I'd have you here with me, and each memory of you that I hold is where you live forever on as I let you go. 'Cause that rainbow bridge is inside now, so I send you on your way to that place where only happiness awaits. So go run free to where the grass is always green, beyond the rainbow bridge where skies are blue. Go run free, beyond time and space, together we'll be beyond the rainbow bridge. I'll be with you, I will be with you. I will always find comfort in knowing I gave you a home, and you've given me sunshine and happiness I'd never known. And I know you are weary, it's time now to rest, time now to go where you'll be restored to your very